This is an algorithm to search an element in single linked list. Now, in order to do this, we are writing a search method inside the linked list class. The search method takes a parameter, val, that is a value that we need to search in the linked list node. First, when we see the linked list is empty, so by checking the value of begin, we can find whether begin is null. If begin is null, the linked list is empty. We won't be able to perform any search operations. In the else part, that means the linked list is not empty. So in this case, we can see that our linked list consists of 3 nodes with values A, B, and C. A is connected to B, B is connected to C, and the next part of C is null, and begin pointer points to the first node. Now we can perform the search operations on this linked list starting from the first node. So in order to perform the search operation, first we use two different variables. One is named as flag, another one position POS. Both is initialized as 0. Flag is used to indicate whether we found the search element or not, and position is used to indicate the position of our linked list node. Imagine now we are searching for element B in the linked list. First, we create a node pointer. That pointer will point to the first node. So we write ptr equals begin. So when we write ptr equals begin, the pointer will point to the first node. As long as this pointer is not equals to null, that means it's pointing to a valid node. So if it's pointing to a valid node, first we increase the position by 1 because it's a node. So a new node has reached. So the position has to be increased by 1. Now we check the data which belong to that pointer is equal to the value what we are searching for. So ptr data equals val. So if it's matching, then we can say that the data is found at a particular position. Now in this case, we can see the pointer is pointing to the first node whose data is A, and we are searching for the value B. So it's not matching. So it will not display the data it is present because they are not the same. In case it's the same, it will display that it's present at the location POS and make the flag as 1 once we found the data in the search operation in a particular node. After that, inside the while loop, we have to make the pointer to move to the next node by ptr equal ptr next. That makes the pointer to move to the next node. This while loop will keep on repeating every time if we check the pointer is not equal to null. First, it will increase the position value by 1 and checks the data is equal to value, ptr data equals to val. If it's same, so in this case, we can see in the second node, ptr data and val both are same. We are searching for B only and ptr data is also B. So it will say value is present at location 2 and makes the flag as 1. Again, the pointer goes to the next node. Here the value position will be increased by 1, but the data is not matching. So again, pointer goes to the next, so pointer becomes null. Once the pointer becomes null, the while loop will stop executing. Now outside the while loop, we can check the value of flag, whether it became 1 or 0. So if it remains as 0, that means we have not found the data in any of the node while we are searching the linked list. So if flag is 0, if flag remains as 0, we can say that the data is not present. So this is the algorithm for performing the search operation. Inside the main method, we can call the search by using an object of linked list. So first we create an object of linked list and set of values has been inserted, and then we perform the search operations. So accordingly, we will get the result whether the data is present or not in the linked list node at a particular position. So this algorithm try and execute and see whether you are able to perform the search operations on single linked list. To search and find the location of a desired element in single linked list, first check linked list is empty or not by checking the value of list pointer begin. If begin pointer is null, single linked list is empty. If linked list is not empty, Variable flag is assigned as 0 to indicate match found or not, and position as 0 to indicate the node position. A node pointer PTR is assigned with the address of first node begin. So this initialization we perform, flag is initialized as 0, position is initialized as 0, and a node pointer PTR is assigned with the address of first node, that is begin. Repeat a loop until the pointer becomes null. Inside the loop, we have to first increase the value of position by 1 to indicate the new node position. The data part of the currently pointed node PTR is compared with the search value VAL. If match found, display the position and change the flag as 1 to indicate match found. So once a pointer reaches to a particular node, first we increase the value of position by 1, and then we check the data part of the pointer which compare with the value what we are searching for. If it's matching, we makes the flag as 1 and indicates that the match is found. Then we have to make the node pointer to go to the next node by assigning the address of next node. So the pointer moves to the next node. This loop will keep on repeating until the pointer becomes PTR becomes null. After the loop, if flag remains 0, display the search value val is not present in linked list. So after completing the loop, we can check the value of flag. If it remains as 0, that means the value is not present in the linked list.